In this video, you will watch a beautiful Somali girl going live, interacting with her audience in a natural and charming way, sharing fun moments full of energy and positivity. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new content.
Welcome to my channel. On this channel, you will discover beautiful Somali girls, live moments, and amazing dance performances from Somali lives. On this channel you will find Somali beauty live moments, beautiful Somali girls, Somali dance performances, TikTok live highlights, top 10 Somali beauty videos, best Somali live moments. We always try to bring you entertaining and enjoyable content with the most beautiful Somali live moments. Don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Welcome to the world of Somali beauty and live entertainment.
Welcome to this video celebrating the beauty, elegance, and charm of Somali girls. Today, we showcase 10 amazing young women, each with her own unique style and grace. Our first girl shines with elegance, blending traditional Somali attire with modern fashion. Her hairstyles and subtle makeup highlight her natural beauty, while her graceful movements captivate every viewer. Another girl radiates joy and energy with her bright smile, vibrant clothes, and playful accessories. Her lively dances and cheerful personality make her videos unforgettable. Some girls embody calm sophistication, favoring minimalist outfits with soft colors and natural makeup, creating a soothing and stylish presence. Others dazzle with expressive eyes, captivating performances, and creative makeup that highlights their charm. Among them are talented artists, mixing fashion, beauty, and creativity through makeup, hairstyles, and styling. Some celebrate cultural pride by combining traditional clothing with contemporary trends, while maintaining elegance and charisma in every video. From confident dancers to graceful fashionistas, each girl showcases the perfect blend of beauty, style, and talent. Thank you for watching this celebration of Somali girls' fashion, dance, and makeup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content on Somali beauty and culture.